Now, let's go to the demo of YUBHA Portal. I'll just show you the demo. Okay, so this is something what you'll get. Okay, whichever level you have selected for December, you will get December 25 this thing, like access. Okay, so I'll just show you for level 1. It is same for level 2 and level 3. Okay. So basically, once you log in, okay, on the left side, you'll get all the details. So first, you'll have to fill this student registration form. I've already filled it, so you'll have to fill that initially. Once you register, you'll have to fill this form. Okay, and then you'll get the access of the entire portal. So like you'll get the live sessions of say one of the instructor. Okay, if you just select on whichever session it is. Okay, you can view the recording. Live also will be here only. Okay, since it is not live right now, right? So you will get it and you can see the lecture here, right?
The good news is the passing is approximately about 50%. This keeps on changing, but these are just ballpark figures.
Right. So you can see the videos here and the live sections also here. So whenever it is live, it will show you the here session will be shown here. Okay. The same will be for the another instructor, third instructor. Okay. And we have the chapter wise test. So basically, if you go to chapter number 1.1, okay, you can start the quiz. Okay, and these are the general instructions. And then you can start the quiz, right? So just click any of the answers, say click yes, click any of the answers, say next. Okay, so here there's a record, like what you're doing here. Okay, I'm right now selecting any of the answers like that. Okay, and I'll submit it in between only, right? Will submit it and it will show you that these many answers you have attempted, these are you have not answered, these are you are not visited. Okay, and if you say submit, okay, now it tells you the if you want to see the result, you view result. Okay, so you have got 33% for your score is 4 out of 12, right? So you get the details, right, of all the answers. And if you want to view the solutions, view solution here. So here it tells you the reason of the answer, right? So answer is there and the explanation is also given here, right? So for each question, you will get the solution, right? So here, this is the wrong answer, right? So answer is A, which is Joseph, okay? And the reason basically here in this, there is no reason, right? It is Joseph, right? But that is what it is. So your each answer explanation is also given, right? For each answer. Okay, let's go to the next section. There are mock tests. Again, this mock tests are also similar. There are three mock tests in the portal itself. And then if you want more mock tests, obviously you can select checkpoint. There will be 132 questions, and you'll get 120 minutes. You can start this with same way as we saw for the chapter wise test. It will be the same only. Okay, so I'm not going through that. Okay, you can watch all the presentations, right? What are presentations we give for the in the class, right? So you can watch them, right, later on also, right? So presentations are uploaded here. Okay. Then doubt solving sessions. So whatever is doubt solving, whenever they are doing. So in when it is live, you will be seeing live session. But right now it is recording, so you can just select view recording and you will see the doubt solving session as well. Okay, there will be two doubt solving sessions at the end. Although you can ask your doubts after each session, right? And then there will be one live test, right? Which will be like a preliminary test, right? The same way you can like go through it. Okay, like what we do with the chapter wise test, the process is the same, right? And it is now ended because that date was 25th of May for the June batch, right? And then we have detailed notes, right? So you can see the detailed notes here. Okay, so for each chapter you will get detailed notes here. Okay, so everything is there online, so everything is ready. You don't need to wait, and this is everything is updated for 2025 curriculum. And these are the recorded section of the previous batch. Now, this will not be there. Okay, so I don't think it's required anymore. So in the new batch, it will not be there. Okay, and then the 2024 curriculum is now expired, so it's not required anymore, right?